There is one simple trick for calculating working hours, which means that it will take only 3 seconds to make it fast and easy, if you stay to watch this video until the end. Don't calculate payroll manually. Use the time format multiplied by 24 hours. Select the range of cells you want to format and press Ctrl 1. Go to the number category and check the box for using a comma as a digit separator. And now calculate the total salary. Your path to this moment is shaped by every decision you've ever made. But why? To grasp this, keep watching the video and become a true Excel expert. How to quickly generate the email for each employee. Print the employee's name and next to it write the company email separated by an @ symbol and press Ctrl E. But wait! Thanks for your feedback. Stay tuned.